Hey everyone! So I recently got my hands on a Celebrations Pokémon Center ETB. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So first you get a player's guide, a coin, sleeves, dividers, dice, condition markers, a deck box, energy cards, 3 Chilling Reign, 1 Battle Styles, and 2 Vivid Voltage booster packs, a promo card, and 13 celebrations. Let's see what we get inside the celebration packs. First, we're gonna get a Surfing Pikachu, a Professor's Research, a Blastoise Holo, a Mew EX, a Flying Pikachu VMAX, a Birthday Pikachu, and finally, a Venusaur Holo. Thanks for watching. Bye!